Okay, for number 9, I kind of was doing speed up the process so that all the work is done off to the side and you can see what we're doing. So for my numbers, when I go left, like if you're looking at the vectors over here, if you go left 10 and down 5, that would put me right there. And if I go left 8 and up 4, that would put me right here. So my answer is this picture. And they want to know, what is the angle here? So I can estimate that each one of those is looking about 20 to 30 degrees. So I'm looking at, if I added both of them, it's somewhere between 40 and 60 degrees. So it's always good to have the picture drawn so you have an estimate. Now remember, you do the dot product. So take your x's, multiply them, take your y's, multiply them, and add them. You're going to get 60. And when you do the dot product of each vector, you square the x, you square the y, and you put it under the square root. And I get 125 and the 80. Now I know those can be simplified, but they're not part of my final answer. So I'm just going to leave them alone. And then I put them into this. This is the formula that you want to have memorized. And so if I go to my calculator and I clear that out, you can type it in all at once, but I kind of like to do the square root of the 125, get out of there, and I do the square root of 80 next to it. So I get 100 on the bottom. And then on top, I had 60 divided by 100. And then if I hit second cosine of my answer, I'm getting about 53 degrees, so 53.13 degrees. So does that match my picture? It seems to match my picture. And then remember, when you go to type your answer in, it looks like they have the degree bubble there, so you don't need to worry about typing in the degree bubble.